It's like 11 p.m. right now, but this came in tonight, so I gotta unbox it and see what's inside. Here's a little sneak peek of what's inside. This is the installation instructions and the hardware kit, and then here's the piece. It's kind of heavy, boys. Alright, so it's the Axleback exhaust for the Mazda 6 from CorkSport. They gave me a pretty good deal on this. It was like 10% off. But here it is in its glory. It should be installed by this weekend. So the stock one is being unscrewed right now. It seems to start at the base of the Axleback. First side is out. Now we're conquering the second side. Okay, the second bolt is out and it looks like it'll separate now. So we're spraying WD-40 into the exhaust hangers. Here's the CorkSport Axelback exhaust and here's stock. Right now we're putting on the connecting pipe between the stock and the Axleback. It only requires two screws. As you can see, the bolts are in, they're not tightened all the way. Here comes the CorkSport Axleback. It's a little bit of a tight fit because you have to wedge it through the exhaust hangers, but I think once it's in, it's easy. You just have to screw in 2 more bolts. We're fitting it into the exhaust hangers right now. I would say that the CorkSport Axleback exhaust is pretty significantly less heavy than the stock. This is the last part that needs to be connected in order to get all the piping as one piece. There it is. There we go. Alright, so we just gotta tighten up all the loose ends, but it's in one piece now. Perfect. Just little tweaks here and there. Okay, it's done. So now we're gonna do a clip of the cold start and the rev. Oh my gosh, it's way deeper. What the heck? Holy crap, dude. This sounds lit.